Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Looking for something tall and beautiful? I got you covered.
Meet Stachis hybrid Summer Crash. It has vibrant pink and white bicolored flowers that appear on upright, mostly leafless stems and bloom in early to mid-summer, attracting bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. But beauty isn't its only strength. Summer Crash is also drought tolerant, deer and rabbit resistant, and thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it ideal for gardeners who want visual impact without constant upkeep. Scalloped leaves primarily grow at the base of the plant and add texture and brightness to borders, rock gardens, or cottage-style beds. Stachis Summer Crash offers color, texture, and durability all season long. It's a smart choice for eco-friendly gardens and anyone looking to balance beauty and reliability.
I got 6 plants. This is the garden of my friends Jeff and Sandra, and we helped them to create this beautiful now flower bed using non-dig corten steel age-right aging. It's nice to see that the garden is establishing and lots of flowering shrubs and flowers are here. And we are eating this beautiful Summer Crash Stachys, and we're gonna plant them here in front of Japanese anemones.
So they will create beautiful backdrop for existing plants and provide color all summer long, while Japanese anemones, already planted right behind them, will take over in the fall, extending flowering season in this garden.
Let's plant them.
Butterfly is already found it. So sweet.
I wish it was cloudy today, better for me and better for plants. All plants are in and it looks beautiful.
Happy gardening!